DIY palm leaf. Leaf from scrap wire. Level 3. Start at about the midpoint of your scrap wire. Measure 2 centimeters for the first leaflet, and bend the wire. Measure another 2 centimeter segment that you will bend at a right angle. Fold back towards the center. Fold the wire over the base of the leaflet. Measure another 2 centimeters on the left side and fold it away from you, while keeping it under the leading wire. Now fold over the wire on the left side, this time. Repeat the process on the right. Try to keep the leaflet folds flat and neat. Fold over tightly at the leaflet base. Repeat on the left side, and then fold over the leading wire. Straighten any bends or kinks to keep the wire neat. You'll start to notice the crisscrossing pattern formed by the leading wire. Make minor adjustments to your leaflets to give your new ones space. Angle them towards the tip, as you see in palms naturally. Since the process is repeating, we can speed up the footage even more. Looking back, I should have fixed this leaflet really well, as it was troublesome to adjust later. Continue with making the leaflets alternately on one side, then folding over the wire at the base. You can now see the leaf shape taking form. You can make as many leaflets as you would prefer. Here, I plan on making 10 on each side, all at approximately 2 centimeters in length. You can reorient as needed. Since I inverted the leaf here, I am folding over the leaflet base and away from me. Find the position that makes it easier for you. Now, slightly open the leaflets, then twist towards you to flatten the surface. Pinch the tip to make a sharper point. This was the troublesome leaflet I was talking about. Do this for all the leaflets. Here you see me struggling because of the small gap. Work your way to the leaf base. Now on to the other side. Space your leaflets and twist the wire around the petiole, or the common branch of the leaflets. Curve the leaflets downwards, away from you to give it a more natural shape. And that's your basic palm. Notice the difference at the bottom with the top? Here's a variation. Instead of 2, I continued with 3 centimeter leaves. Same as before, you loop over the leaflets. A palm leaf has paired leaflets branching from the same node. Make sure to tightly loop over the leaflets and keep the wire neat. You can incrementally increase the lengths of each leaflet to your satisfaction, or increase the length in groups. I made 3 pairs of 3 cm leaflets just for demonstration purposes. Now, I go back to 2 cm leaflets and continue weaving the wire over, as before. Weave over on one side, then weave on the other. Maintain the crisscross pattern on the top of the leaf. Here, you can appreciate that by simply varying the leaflet length slightly, you've given the overall palm leaf a rounder oblong shape, compared to the paddle shape of the first one. We're almost done. Always check your center line for bends or kinks. Spiral around the common petiole of the palm leaf. Space the leaflets, bending them towards the tip to form a spear-like shape. Start to open the leaflets slightly. Here's a tip. Use a tool to pry open all the leaflets. You can do one at a time or like this, in a chain. The key step is to press the tool toward the center, to open the gap, while pressing your loop overs towards the center line. Because of how you've oriented them, you can pierce through all the leaflets, thus opening a gap. Now you can more easily twist and flatten the leaflets, to give them a more oblong shape. Now continue on the other side. Pierce through the leaflets, then press towards the center line. Twist the leaflets accordingly. Curve the tips of the leaflets. Do the same on the other side. Curve the overall leaf to make it more natural. Make some adjustments as necessary. Here, I used my pry tool to tweak the leaflet. As before, curve the leaf to mimic a more natural shape. Give the leaf a soft bend. And you're done. A variation on the palm leaf. Here's the 2 leaves together. You can make yours in different colors and lengths. Here's a close-up. Leaf from scrap, level 3. Palm leaf. Place it in a glass, or planter. Make it a bookmark. There's endless possibilities. Happy recycling. Thanks for watching.